How you guys doing today? Welcome to the channel. So today in this video we're going to be testing the HPI Savage 25 that I recently picked up, and we're going to be checking to see if it see how it runs, make sure it moves. We're going to see if the transmission is good and the drivetrain and all of that. So first test drive coming up on this video, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. This way you don't miss any of the action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fuel line off of the exhaust and prime this engine real quick. So let me just turn this radio system on, and then we'll start trying to get this thing to run real quick. All right, so here you go, guys. I'm turning the radio on, turning the receiver on. I'm running a hump pack in this. So we got steering, we got full throttle, we got full close on the throttle going on. I always set these up at home before I take them out. So what I'm gonna do is pull this off of here, blow through the tube. It might be primed already, I'm not too sure. We're gonna find out here in a second. I never unprimed it or anything, so let's try to heat it up just a tad bit because it's kind of extra cold outside. I had this in the car all night. I shouldn't have actually done that because now all the fuel and everything's gonna be cold, but what are you gonna do, guys? All right, so let me warm this up. I'll be right back on. We'll try to fire it up. All right, so I got a good amount of temperature in there. I'll get my tuning screwdriver out. This way, if I need to adjust anything, which I'm sure I'm gonna have to, that we can do it on the fly. Now let's grab a little blow igniter out of here. I don't know if this one has a charge in it or not. Been in the car all night too, so it's not gonna help anything. So let's try to fire this up. First time trying to fire this off actually out in the outside here in the open. Try to figure out. Definitely too rich. Supposed to be working good. The low end is a little lean. The high speed a little rich. Definitely still too rich. Go a couple hours at a time. Yeah, because we're not making any kind of power whatsoever, I can tell you that. You can't tell. Barely moving. Low is leaking. High is rich. I'm gonna have to lean up the low too and just lower the idle gap. I should be riding just on the high speed right now, but it's still slow. Went a whole 6 hours, so some people just they don't know really how to tune that good. There you go. A little better. A little more. Now it seems like the low is rich. So we're getting more power now. Put that back where it was. We're definitely getting better top end, so I'm gonna stop messing with the top. It just sounds like it's shifting, I'm not sure. Let's see if it drops. See if it drops. A little more. I don't know if it's shifting or not. I can't really tell. Oh yeah, it's definitely shifted. It's getting faster. Still rich down low. Maybe slipper clutch or something, because now it's revving. Not really moving that fast. Does this have a slipper? Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, slipper's slipping like crazy. Let me bring it in and close that slipper up. Lower the idle. Let's shut it off real quick. Let me try to tighten that slipper clutch, guys, because what's happening is we're losing all of our power through the slipper clutch now that we actually have some power. So not very hot whatsoever. So let me try to tighten that up. I'll be right back. Hey guys, check it out. That was all the way loose, like almost off. So I think it's gonna be a lot better now. So let me throw this on here and try to fire it. One way needs a cleaning. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks like a truck. Whoa, what the hell, guys? I guess the wheel lug nuts were not tight also. Oh man, let me see if I can find a nut. Okay guys, so my beautiful wife over there located the wheel nut. Otherwise, I would have been done for. So let me get the wheel back on, tighten all the rest of them, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty then, so we got the wheel back on. I just checked all the rest of them. The rest of them were tight. So that was interesting. Anyways, when you guys buy a new RC, make sure you check the wheels before you take it out. I just kind of brought it outside. I was like, oops, surprise. All right, so let's try to get this baby. Now it's starting to look a little faster. I was like, man, where's the speed at? Definitely got second. I don't know, it sounds like the slipper clutch is slipping, even though I tightened it all the way up. It's definitely slipping. I gotta check that out. Rich down low. gotta drive it a little more. Yeah, we're losing all the power through the drivetrain. Backing off. For some reason, it keeps backing off by itself. I might have to Loctite it, guys. Let me tighten it up again, see what happens. There, guys, I tightened it back up again, but it appears that this nut, the nylon that's inside of it, is not. They usually come with like some kind of locking kind of nut, and what's happening is it's not locking anymore, and it's backing off when I go on power. So I'm gonna try our best. If it backs off again, I'm gonna have to back it off, put Loctite on, and let it dry at home. But I'm gonna try to do it again real quick. Definitely getting 2 speeds. I'm happy about that. I don't want to cut the wheels. I don't want to smash it. Running decent, I'll tell you that. I actually really like this truck, to be honest with you. I love the way it looks. Yeah, we're losing all of our power. There's no reason to even try. We're gonna lose that screw. We're gonna lose that nut. So look, it backs right back off again. I don't know if you guys could see that. I tightened that all the way up, and now there's play in there again. So it keeps backing itself back off. You guys know any kind of slipper clutch deletes or anything? I might just, I don't know. I got to figure out how to tighten that where it won't loosen up again. Weird. I might have to put double nuts on there or something. That kind of sucks. But, man. I was really looking forward to driving this thing. The thing is driving good. We started making good power. Started getting the tune kind of where I like it. And now we got this problem. So let me see if there's anything I can do right now, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So I took a pair of vice grips, these right here, and I put them on there, and I tightened it to the point where you physically can't tighten it anymore. So we're gonna see if it'll stay tight. If not, I'm gonna try to buy some red Loctite or something. We might have to eliminate that slipper clutch somehow, because I wanted to do wheelies with this thing. I wanted to see if this thing could do a wheelie and stuff, and now with the slipper clutch, it just keeps unwinding itself every 5 seconds. I actually really like this truck, like I said, guys. That's barely like quarter throttle. Still never even put the body on it yet. I just wanted to get the tune correct first. Beautiful. Still rich down low. Oh, she's a beauty, guys. Gotta lean the... See, we're losing all the power again. See? You guys could see it backed itself off again. So you guys ever have this problem before? You guys that have any experience with this thing, have you guys ever had this issue where this keeps backing itself off? Because it's kind of very annoying. I'm out here just trying to enjoy this thing, and that keeps backing itself off over and over again. Very annoying. I don't know if there's a slipper clutch in there and it's no good or something, because I mean, I tightened that all the way up where if I tightened it anymore, that was gonna snap off the end. So I'm gonna have to think about this one, what we're gonna do with this. I'm gonna do some research when I get back home. I'm gonna put this away, I guess, and come back out again and test it out again after I try to get that sorted out, guys. So I love the truck. The truck is awesome. Appears to be holding a tune well. I didn't get to finish putting a tune on it, unfortunately, but it does run good. It does look good. It shifts to second, so the transmission doesn't have any issues. We're just having that slipper clutch issue, guys. So no big deal. Anyways, we're gonna get it back out there again, run it again another day. But that was the first test drive, no big deal. Beautiful test drive. I'm perfectly happy with it. I'm happy with the way it came out, the way it runs, the way it's performing. It's no big deal. That's not a big issue with the slipper clutch. It's something that we're gonna easily fix. So until next time, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. This way you don't miss any action. I'll catch you guys next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Thank you all for everything. Peace out. See you guys next time.